Hi, Melissa. It's been a while. Oh, hi, David. How have you been? Oh, I've been well. I've been well too. By the way, did you know that John married Catherine? Oh, is that so? But I heard he planned to marry Audrey. Oh, that's right. He married Catherine 3 months ago and divorced her last month. And he will marry Audrey next month. Oh, my goodness.